Hello and welcome to this Jenkins installation tutorial for Ubuntu. In this video, I will walk you through the process of installing Jenkins on an Ubuntu machine. My name is Pikarna Pokorel and I am a DevOps engineer. So let's get started. And the instruction for installing Jenkins can be found from the website jenkins.io. In this website, you will find a button for downloading Jenkins. This button click will take to this page that provides information on Jenkins download and deployment. Since we are interested in installing Jenkins on an Ubuntu machine, we need to choose this one. This link will take us to the page that has instruction for installing Jenkins on an Ubuntu machine or Debian-based Linux machine. We will be installing Jenkins version 2.04 LTS. So let's navigate to this instruction page. We need to issue these commands in order to install Jenkins. So in a nutshell, we need to first add this Jenkins key in our Ubuntu machine to ensure the authenticity of Jenkins package that we will be using to install Jenkins. Then we need to add this repository for Jenkins package in our local package index and update the local package index using this command. Then we will need Java JDK for Jenkins. In other words, Jenkins requires Java JDK for its running. And finally, we will install this package called Jenkins. Here you can see there is this font config package, which is not necessary, or you can skip installing this package. However, if you wish to install, there is no harm. I will be installing only OpenJDK version 11 as Java JDK. So I will navigate to my Ubuntu terminal now and issue these commands one by one. So before navigating to my terminal, I'll just copy this code here and then open my terminal now. I'll paste that here. It is asking for password, so I will give my password. Now this key has been added to the system. Next would be adding the repository for Jenkins package. Here I will navigate there. So this code here, copy that and paste into my terminal here. Now we need to update our local package index using sudo apt get update. It updates our local package index. It will take some time. In that time, I will just copy this OpenJDK version 11 from here and go back to terminal. The local system package index has already been updated. I'll clear the screen and install apt-get install -y this OpenJDK version 11. So this -y flag is used to accept any default values if this installation asks for something, if it prompts for something. So in this way, we are just accepting the default values. There is chances that you already have Java JDK version 11 installed on your system. You can always check that using Java version, but there is no harm if you just install it once again. Now Java JDK has been installed. Finally, we can now install Jenkins. So sudo apt-get install -y Jenkins. So it will take some time to install Jenkins here. After this installation is completed, we still need to do some initial setup and configuration for Jenkins so that we can start using Jenkins, or more specifically, we can start using the web user interface of Jenkins. And after this video, or in the next video, I will be guiding you through the process of initial setup and configuration of Jenkins. Now Jenkins has been installed successfully. To check if it has been installed or not, we can find out if there is a service called Jenkins running in the background using the command systemctl status Jenkins. Since it's loaded and the active status is active running, we can be sure that Jenkins has been installed. So this was it for the Jenkins installation. If you have been following along with the video, congratulations, you have successfully installed Jenkins on your Ubuntu machine. As I mentioned earlier, in the next video, I will guide you through the initial setup and configuration process. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more Jenkins tutorials. And feel free to leave any questions or comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.